Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from DOOGEE device to DOOGEE T10. Firstly, go into Play Store on both and install free app called Send Anywhere from this developer. When your app is ready, open it. In order to use it, you need to do exactly the same on both devices. Tap on I agree, then confirm, continue, and allow. Now on the other one, I agree, confirm, continue, allow. In this window about new updates, you can tap on Not Now if you want to. Then close it by hitting OK. Following that, select Send at the bottom left corner of DOOGEE smartphone and Receive next to Send at the bottom of T10. Then go back to DOOGEE smartphone to pick all of your files that you wish to transfer. You can do that by tapping on all of those categories located at the top and selecting your files from them. You can select all or just pick the chosen ones. I will go with this one photo. Whatever you do, when you finished, click on Send next to select it. Then tap on Got It in Here's Some Tip pop-up and decide which connection way is better for you. If you wish to scan this QR code, tap on the scanning icon above User Guide on T10. Then allow camera access in the pop-up and point your tablet's camera at the code. You can also tap on Input Key section below Enter the key, type in all of those numbers from DOOGEE smartphone and hit Receive. So when I do that, as you can see, I need to select one last thing. Pick the best option for your ads. Yes, I agree, or no thanks. I will go with no thanks and then tap on Close this window. Finally, I can check that all of my files were successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!